Okay, so we have situation 38. So for this one, obviously we have a geotechnical engineering no problem. So evaluate now the plastic settlement in meters on a layer of clay, plastic clay, due to an increase of pressure caused by the loads above it under the following condition. So we have the initial intergranular pressure is 180. The increase in pressure will be 120. Thickness of clay is 8. Coefficient of consolidation is 0.315 and void ratio is 1.132. Again, this is actually a very easy, no, very easy problem provided that you have memorized the equation. Now, from the previous class, we've already solved some problems about settlement. However, for those problems, we did not use the specific equation. So there are actually two types of problems no so far I think there are many problems about settlements. However, for the board exam so far, the problems that came out about settlement, duha lang. You have the settlement with regards to the change in void ratio, and then you also have this one, settlement due to the change in kaning intergranular pressure, no initial intergranular pressure, and then I increase in intergranular pressure. But anyway, basically no, because of this change in pressure, ang nahitabo masagod mo change ang void ratio, ultimately mo to mo settle po. So in general, you have this equation, S is equal to, you have the, by the way, S represents for the settlement, no? H represents the total initial height of the clay, and then 1 plus E, or the initial void ratio. And then supposedly, this should be multiplied by the change in void ratio. Asa man ang delta ni? Delta E. Change in void ratio. However, for this, for this situation to, for this equation to work, we actually need the initial and the final void ratio. Notice we only have one void ratio there, so you cannot actually use this equation. But there is actually another equation for the change in void ratio, di ba? Remember, I believe you are more familiar with this equation. CC log, ano to? Log PO plus delta P over PO. Tama ba nata? Delta P or P delta? Nakalimut na ko, sorry. Over PO. Ana. Okay? Now, combining the two, I think you are more familiar with this equation, di ba? So, I think, kani-kani. No? Kani. So, muna siya. So, anyway, we can easily use this one. Notice, all of the variables are given. H is given, E given, C sub C given, log, PO given, and delta given na natin ha. So anyway, direct sub lang ta. So as for the height, you have 8 meters. Now, take note, as much as possible, be consistent with your units. No, we are asked for the settlement in meters man. So as much as possible, all units should be in meters. So that's 8 over 1 plus E, which is 1.132. Times C sub C, which is 0.315 times log. By the way, in your calculator, do you have a log din ha? Or log to the base of 10 na diha? I think by default, no? Log base 10 man, no? By default. But if ever ba, wala yung log lang dito, you might be wondering what is the base that you need to use. Base 10 na ha? Sige daw, double check if we have the same answer, 0.262. By the way, I have already given you the copy of the problems, so you do not need to copy the problems. And then as for the solution, you also have the solution board.